Sinhala learners. In this video, you will learn how to use question word kavadada. Kavadada asks about time or occasions. Now let's see how to use kavadada. Kavadada placed at the beginning of a sentence as the other question words, followed by subject verb related to time or event. And even you can use it at the end if you would like to. I know it's a little confusing, but you will understand when I show you some examples. The first example is kavadada oya yanne, which means when are you going? Kavadada oya yanne. If you want to use the question word at the end, you can ask the question as oya yanne kavadada. Oya yanne kavadada. And the next example is kavadada meheta aave. Kavadada meheta aave, which means when did you arrive here? And the next example is kavadada meka patan ganne. Kavadada meka patan ganne, which means when does this start? The next example is kavadada eka une. Kavadada eka une, which means when did that happen? And the next example is kavadada obata avashya. Avashya means need. Kavadada obata avashya, which means when do you need it? Let's get a little deeper by creating a few long sentences. Next example is oba kavadada me karya avasan karanne. Oba kavadada me karya avasan karanne, which means when will you finish this task? The next example is api kavadada samuluwak pavatwimata yanne, which means when are we going to hold a meeting? Now, I place kavadada question word not at the beginning, but that's why I said Sinhala is so flexible. Now, if you want to think about creating this sentence, putting the question word at the beginning, you can. It's going to be like kavadada api samuluwak pavatwimata yanne. It's the same sentence, same meaning. Now, the next example is obe upan dinaya kavadada. Obe upan dinaya kavadada, which means when is your birthday? So I use this question word at the end of the sentence. The next example is kavada ohu enne kiyala hitanawada. Kavada ohu එන්නේ කියලා හිතනවද? Which means, when do you think he will come? The next example is, අපි කවදද නිවාඩුවට යන්නේ? අපි කවදද නිවාඩුවට යන්නේ? Which means, when are we going on vacation? I hope you understand a little about using the question word කවදද. I know you feel a little frustrated and confused, but hang on tight. We promise you we will take you there. We will build confidence with speaking Sinhala. And do me a favor, make at least 10 sentences using question word kavadada. Drop us your questions below or connect with our WhatsApp group, Aurelia Tutor Sinhala Learners. Have fun. See you in the next video.